Uh, During this political instability, finally there was a chance for the Napoleon, who was the military director uh, or known as the first consul. So finally, the power directory rule came into end, and power went into the hands of French consulate, and Napoleon Bonaparte became the head of the consulate government from 1799 to 1804. This French consulate ruled over the France. French consulate, children, here you can see the three. This was the three-member uh, committee, the government of the three consuls from 1799 to 1804. And here you can see Napoleon, who is standing in between. So he was the head of three, and he took all the power in his hand, and in this way he became the military dictator in France. Council, beta children, here you can see an official appointed by the state to live in a foreign city and protect the interest of the state citizen there. In simple words, you can understand that unlike ambassador, as each and every country appoint ambassador in Hindi it is known as a doot, appointed in other countries to safeguard the interest of the citizens living over there. In the same way it was the council. So he was looking after all such interest, and when he came to know about directory instability or clashes between the councils and directory, so finally he took all the power, he transferred all the powers in his hand, and became the and established a military dictatorship in France. He ruled twice in a France, once as a military dictator from 1799 to 1804, and later on in 1804 again he got the opportunity and took all the powers in his hand and declared him as an emperor of the France, about which you will learn in the next turn. So children, here this third unit is getting over, though all these changes in the form of government means all the governments, either it was a monarch, a constitutional monarch government, national assembly, or it was a convention government, or it was a directory, or it was a French consulate, but all the government had the basic ideas, the ideals of freedom, equality before law, and the maintenance of the fraternity. And all they were motivated by these ideals, and directly or indirectly in their own way they made effort to establish these ideals in France. So all they were guided by all these ideals. So children, here your third unit is getting over. Till here you will go through again the self reading of the chapter NCERT book, and wherever you will have any problem, again you can ask for me. So, and in the next turn we will learn about the role of the women in the French Revolution, and what about the slavery and all. So children, you will complete your book, will read the chapter, because self reading is important. Whatever I have explained, until or unless you will read by your own, you will not read the chapter, so it will be little difficult for you to understand. Listen, after listening my lecture, it is compulsory for all the children to read the chapter, and I hope this time all the children must have their books with them, so they will go with the reading of the chapter. Though I have made the effort to explain each and everything, but still self reading is more important. So thank you and have a thoughtful Thursday. You will think over that. Well, okay, thank you.